Lakshmi, so I will visit many places. I will visit many houses. Lakshmi, are you Lakshmi? Then stay in our city. No, I will not stay in your city. Your city is very dirty. Chi, bad smell is coming everywhere. I feel like vomiting. I cannot stay here. I am going to some other city. Up in the sky, there is woman. Who is she? Who is she? Oh, she is Lakshmi, goddess. Come to our city. Stay in our home. I will come to your city. Your city is clean, but I cannot stay in your city. The houses in your city are dirty. There is dirt in all rooms. Bad smell is coming everywhere. I feel like vomiting. I cannot stay here. I am going to some other place. Look up in the sky. There is a woman. Who is she? Who is she? Oh, she is Lakshmi, goddess. Come to our city. Please stay in our home. I will come to your city. I will come to your homes. Your city is clean. Your houses are also clean. But I cannot stay in your homes. Children remain dirty in your homes. They kids not, don't wash hands. After going to room, I feel like vomiting. I cannot stay here. I am going to some other place. Look up in the sky. There is a woman. Who is she? Who is she? Oh, Lakshmi, goddess. Come to our city. Please stay in our home. Aha, this city is very clean. These houses are also clean. Children keep them neat and clean. Yes, I will stay in your houses. Yes, I will stay in your houses.